So as the viewer launches, you'll see the images start to load. You'll notice that the AP film is highlighted on the right. If for some reason the image doesn't load and it says 0%, just click in that box and then use your mouse tool to kind of navigate. You'll notice there's a little blue bar at the bottom, and you can scroll back and forth, and it should finally load that image. So we're going to mark the AP film. We're going to double click on the AP, use the zoom tool in the top left, and bring the pelvis into view. Grab the pan tool and bring that up. And now you're going to select the annotate tool, and you'll see the Gonstead set. It says Gonstead beta because this is a tool that Box was kind enough to build for us. And it'll just walk you through marking the 14 points. You're going to click on the crest of the left femoral head, and that's right here. And then you're going to move on to the right femoral head, and then you're going to work on the left iliac and right iliac crests, and left and right ischial tuberosities, and then you're going to click on the center of the pubic symphysis. And if this is the first time marking a film, you're going to have a hard time finding that first sacral tubercle. First sacral tubercle is going to be right about there. That'd be the center. And then the sacral notch. Yeah, they called it the base of the point of the sacrum, but it's the sacral notch. Now you're going to find that joint line and mark the left border of the sacrum and the right. And then it plots those points. For those folks that do Gonstead, they're probably noticing that some of these lines are unique. I had them build the sacral notch line so we could get the sacral unleveling line, the sacral base unleveling line, as well as the MD and AD to determine how much we should lift if appropriate. So that concludes the AP marking with the Gonstead tool set. Now from here you want to annotate and select Save Annotations. If for some reason during the marking you want it to go back, you can just use the arrow and go back, and it'll start to delete some of those lines if your placement was wrong. So we'll complete that image again. You can alternately right click once it's saved and delete the images. You have to grab the pan tool to do that. And that's something that they're still working on. So if you have any questions, you can always just ask. So this concludes the AP marking of the pelvis.